101. We've got a top priority mission for you. Before you set off, though, let's get your camera set up so I can keep an eye on you. Walk towards the console. The default camera provides a comfortable experience for most people. Excellent. You can make further changes in the pause menu at any time. Right, you're all set. Open the van door, head inside, and we'll get you on site. Agent 101, can you read me?
Loud and clear. What's happening?
The Sycamore gang have taken hostages. It's your mission to save them. Usual tactics. You need to get out of there and stop them before it's too late.
Have you got a supply drop for me? I need equipment, a gun.
Sorry, no supply drop this time. There's a helicopter buzzing around. The skies aren't safe. See what you can find along the way.
Copy. Have you got eyes?
I've hacked into the CCTV so I can guide you through. Grab the top of that crate and climb over it.
There you go.
Are the hostages in the museum? Are they hurt?
The hostages are all right for now, but you'll have to pass through the museum to reach them. And the place is crawling with sycamores. I'll try to find you a safe way through. Now, you need to get across to that platform. Throw your arms up to clear the gaps. This jump is going to need a running start if you want to make it. Bad news, 101. Intel suggests Agent 99 is amongst the hostages.
Max is one of the hostages?
He is. I'm working on pinning down his location. Don't get distracted. Look around. There should be plenty of ways back up. Spotted some gang members up ahead on CCTV. Luckily, these idiots decided to use a museum as their HQ. Grab that bow. I'm sure...
Now we're talking.
With the bow equipped, grab the string and pull back to charge an arrow.
Never knew what hit him.
There, the door's open. Get moved. Try prizing those elevator doors apart. Grab and pull. The top of the lift shaft, 101. Another hostile.
That's gotta hurt. Oops. He did.
Damn it, more of them. I better take cover. Damn it. Yeah.
They're calling in reinforcements. You need to get out of there. Over there. Keep going across these balconies.
Can you see them?
Oh, what, dude?
Over there. Keep going across these balconies.
Can you see them? The hostages?
Just keep moving, 101. I'm trying to pin down which building they're in. 101, that ledge is too high to grab. You have to fling yourself up. Push down quickly with your hands. Now the same again, but horizontally. Fling yourself across that gap. You almost had it, 101. Try again. You almost had it, 101. Try again.
Got it anyway.
Over there, on the balcony. Sycamore recruits. Be careful. Duck down behind that cover. Squeeze through there. Get close, grab the wall, and pull yourself through.
Where are the hostages?
They're close, 101. Head through the courtyard. Take the zip line down into the courtyard.
Reminds me of golden sorcery.
Take them out. The helicopter, take cover.
Damn it!
Where'd you go? Got him.
Now climb up that wall. Let's find the hostages and get you out of there. Incoming chopper, 101. Jump.
They've got me surrounded.
Stay with me. I have eyes on the hostages. The Sycamores are loading them into a van up ahead.
Yeah, in the tutorial level, it's not as action-packed. Missed the zipline.
Through the window, 101. Go! Run, 101. Keep going. Don't stop.
I can do this. I can do this.
Okay, got it. C-Rap with the double. Get the real actress on set and go straight from the top. Thank you. Thanks. Rosa, my darling, you were great.
That's all for now. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Thank you.